That's easy. I can't fix it right away.
Wait. You may have learned some myths and I can help you understand better. Hello folks, welcome to Steve's Garage. I will help with your day-to-day vehicle repair issues. In this series I am going to be your vehicle repair myth buster. A common myth: when replacing only 2 tires, the new ones go on the front. This is not true. Rear tires provide stability, and without stability, steering or braking on a wet or even damp surface might cause a spin. If you have new tires up front, they will easily disperse water, while the half-worn rears will go surfing. The water will literally lift the worn rear tires off the road. It's now been proven that no matter what type of car, the new tire should be put on the back. The new tires help disperse the water when hydroplaning and allow for better traction. This video is powered by Automotix.